again, my friend. And when I get done with that, it will continue out here. Alrighty. Get Mr. McCain to go around them edges and take that paper off the edges, and we're gonna be ready in there. 15 minutes of grinding, 25 minutes or so of work yesterday, peeling the top off on what little scraping I did. Waka waka, we're almost, I guess we're about half of minimum wage so far on this floor, right there in the bathroom. Okay, so the purpose of running the Easy Scrape is simply to smooth this out. I think this is a thick indoor-outdoor carpet adhesive, judging by the color of it and how thick that it went on. So you can just see all over it is like really hard clumps and just dimples. It looks like, to be honest with you, it looks like cellulite. Looks like cement. And I'll say that would be ugly. But anyway, it looks rough. So if it comes up smooth, okay. If it comes up easy, fast, okay. But I'm not going to sit here for 2 hours and scrape all this up. I just ain't making enough money. Cock-a-doodle-doo. I hated to say that. That was actually hurtful on me to say that. I feel ashamed right now. Alright, well, you might have guessed it. I just spent 2 hours doing exactly what I said I was not going to spend 2 hours doing. Darn it, I'm such a sucker. I can't help it. I'd rather not do a job at all than to do a job that I wasn't happy with. So we got all that grinded up, completely clean and ready to go. We got this all grinded up. Well, not really grinded, but we used the Easy Scrape on it. We got 99% of the glue up. We got a whole bucket full. This was even hit where it is smooth. This is actually what I was planning on doing, but I ended up just going on with it. But anyway, what a sucker, what a sucker. We're gonna go get some rug, get it in here laying down, laying out, and let it warm up a little bit. I'm fixing to kick that heat up even more. Let it warm up a little bit while I cut and glue in that vinyl. Then I'll jump over here, cut this down, fold it back and glue it and all that good stuff. It's cold outside. This morning when I got up, it was 27 degrees. And the carpet is outside right now on my van. So not a pretty sight at all, I'm sure. Not a pretty sight. Let's kick this bad boy up to about right here. Right there. I should get the heat going on pretty good. All right. Let's go get some rugs, shall we?
This
this is the first time I've ever done this, but I don't do commercial work a whole lot, so I haven't had the opportunity. But honestly, I think it's a fantastic idea anyway. I'm gonna take my genuine 100% all natural latex that's not Fast Lock, it's actually Roberts, in this bottle, but I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna squirt some right in this little reducer strip that I got here for my carpet to vinyl transition glue down products here. And I'm gonna just take, and whenever I tuck this, it's gonna seal that edge right up, and it's never gonna come out of this transition. I'm telling you what, whenever they tear this up, the transition is gonna be stuck on the carpet like Chuck. Cock-a-doodle-doo. It might be a little overkill, but I tell you what, it's not gonna come out, and I don't have to worry about it coming out. So, it's just like a little bit of insurance, if you ask me. A little bit of insurance, got it all in there. Now, come over here. Come over here, look at this. Look right here at this. Can you see that? Mm-hmm. Can you see the latex right there? Watch this, scoop right in that latex, see that? Scoopity-doop, ready? Scoopity-doop. Scoopity-doop. Scoopity-doopity-doo. Okay. That is going to be awesome. Take the old flathead right there. Break it right in there. Give it a push down. All right. Finally, got this guy done. It looks just phenomenal. I'm telling you what, just phenomenal. Let's turn this heat down out here.